iconic combination of turkey, cranberry and brie never gets old. And I love this combination, particularly when I'm entertaining and want a dish that I know everyone is going to love. Just like these sliders, super easy to prepare. It's all about the simple ingredients. So I have these sliders, so little small ones, which is fantastic when you're entertaining. So you can have a glass of champagne in one hand and these gorgeous little sliders. So we're going to cut them in half. And I have just warmed them up slightly. And these are brioche style, so they're just slightly sweet, which will go really nicely with the turkey and the brie. So after we've lined them up, so we've just got a bit of a production line, spread on the cranberry sauce and be quite generous with it. And I like to place the cranberry sauce on the bottom of each. And because the cranberry is sweet, my next topping needs to be savoury, and that is our turkey. Now this is oven roasted turkey that's been shaved. So it's a great idea to layer a few pieces of the turkey. So you can see how they're quite thin, which is just perfect for a sandwich like this because you can drape it over that. And look how pretty that looks, like little handkerchiefs. So 2 to 3 slices, just be careful not to overfill it. It's got to be easy to eat. I like to bring the brie out of the fridge about 30 minutes before serving it so it goes lovely and soft. And we'll just slice it. And then I'll just take a little of the rind off. And then cut it in half again. And then we'll just arrange that on top of the turkey. So 2 slices each. The last one. And finally, another spread. You could add some more cranberry, but I like the piquancy of some mustard. So I've just got some seeded mustard here and just a small amount on each. And again, spreading that all the way to the sides. They look fantastic. I'm going to place them on this festive platter, and just to make sure that they stay in their spot, a little toothpick right through the centre. And we'll line them up like little soldiers. Whether you've got a high tea coming up or spring races, this is a fantastic canapé idea that's going to be a crowd pleaser.